What's that? Salamander?
Mom and baby. But it's 32. It's so expensive.
32 bucks.
Look at this one.
Stitch.
20. I don't know.
Looks like Stitch.
I wanna go through the
We have this before, right?
Yeah, after my baby.
Hello.
Sino ba yun? Grinch. Remember?
Santa.
Really call for long characters to make it the best.
Halloween stuff na yun.
Parang hindi masyado marami yung Grinch nila. Ito lang dito yun lang.
They have their own stall, no?
Ito meron na ito.
Jack in the Box, so 35. 135. Tapos 35.
Ito yung atin eh.
What? Oh yeah, Grinch and Christmas tree.
Ito, ay. Pala ko 40. 41?
Snow Village.
Dito din sa foyer natin.
Oh, yeah.
Sabi ko, 3 candle.
Margarita.
I'm gonna go down there with the... Oh, there's the... There. There it is. Look. All
What?
the Grinch stuff. Remember? Tingnan mo din.
Ganda ng Christmas tree, Grinch. Don't be a Grinch.
Naman? Ano to?
Pop cut.
Ah,
Pop up.
Pop art. Gingerbread. Ay, yung mga ano, yung mga brands. Nalala mo? Ay,
Chili. Guacamole.
pizza bites.
Donut shop.
Unless, yun ba na naman nila? All sanitary stuff. Namila ako yun. Dito natin binili yung ano, yung socks. Wala na eh. Dati meron silang dedicated area for ano eh.
For dogs.
Hindi naman dogs lang. I mean pets. Hindi ko yun lang. Yung Christmas village area na.
I'm listening.
Ito nga sana. Dito pa palagyan ko. Iyan, Trinicadas. Ramos pa.
Okay.
Pero I'm not gonna hang it. I'll just put it like that in... You remember our Christmas village?
You can
Just
put it
like that. And there, so that there's bears. Diba? Like this.
That one.
Ito. Cute din.
How will they put our name?
Dito, personalize.
Oh.
Cute lang. Isasandi ko.
No.
Parang cute lang kasi ano sa Christmas village. Ito cute din. Polar bear. Magkano to? 12 lang. Ramos family.
Would you like to put on?
Okay. So the first one is Ian, Trini, Cuddles, Emily. Alam mo yun? This one lang. But there's walang for baby. So, it's okay.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna look around a bit while I'm doing that, okay?
Cute. And then I said, nope, 100.
Here you are.
Thank you.
No.
And so, yeah. Are you done for shopping?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring up. It's okay.
Oh yeah, here you go.
Yeah. Good thing you mentioned. Thank you. Come on.